Hi, you have received an invitation from OpenAI for getting ChatGPT on your email ID. You have to click Join Workspace. Okay, you have been added to the workspace. Either login if you have already password. If you do not have the password, then sign up. Okay, so I already have the account. I will go for login. If I don't, then I will go for sign up. Okay, now ChatGPT has sent the code on my email ID. Okay, here you can see it's done. You can select any or you can skip not now, not now. Here you can say I am added to the workspace. Okay, here is a diamond icon, that's a premium. So you will get the features ChatGPT, Instant Thinking Pro and GPT-4. Oh, have a nice day.